Next, we are going to do else if ladder in JavaScript. So here I'm creating a file 15.html and one more file we are creating 15.js. Now in this 15.html, it's our emit code, and here outside this body tag we are going to link 15.js with this. So script src equals to 15.js. Save. And here in 15.js, here we are declaring variable let num equals to, here we can hard code it here, but I'm taking it with prompt box. Prompt, enter the day number. Save. Now here we are going to use else if ladder. So here we are checking if num equals to 1, then we have to print. We can print on our document as well as on our console. So document dot write day is Monday. Else if num equals to 2, then document dot write it's Tuesday. Else if num equals to 3, then document dot write Wednesday. Else if num equals to 4, then it's document dot write Thursday. Else if num equals to 5, then document dot write it's Friday. Else if num equals to 6, then document dot write it's Saturday. Otherwise, else document dot write it's Sunday. Save it, and we'll run this 15.html. Go live. So it is asking us for day number. I'm passing here 1. It has given Monday. If I give here 2, it's Tuesday. 3, Wednesday. 4, Thursday. 5, Friday. 6 Saturday, and if we are not passing any number, then it's saying it's Sunday. So this was a else if ladder.